How to make your Valorant profile public in Tracker. Hey everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you how, so let's just get started. First of all, you may just head over to tracker.gg/Valorant in your browser, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface. What you may do is you may just go ahead and create a profile here. For that, you can look out for my profile option, click on plus, and you may just go ahead and add up a profile first and do so. Once your profile is added here, you may head over to this Valorant stats section and you can sign in with your Riot account ID. Look out for this section, open it up the link and head over and sign in within your Valorant Riot account. Just go ahead and do so. And once your account is linked, you will be finding your account like this, you will be finding this interface. Now, once that is done, the thing is tracker.gg will automatically make your public profile, make your profile public. You just need to head over to this right here, and once you are signing, you will be finding all of your profile available. You can head over to the tracker.valorant/Valorant once you are signed in and everything. After that, you can just go ahead and type in your username in the section of your Valorant ID. And once you go ahead and do so, once you search it up, there you will be finding the results. You can just go ahead and open up the profile and you should be finding your profile being public on Tracker. And that's it. So therefore, you may also follow up the same process if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.